Jerusalem, my heavy home, when shall I with you be? When shall my sorrow pass? When shall your joys? When shall I see your saints are crowned with glory, grace, facing God face to face? They trumpets change, they still rejoice in the most holy place. That David stands with harp in hand, as master of the choir. 10,000 times would we be blessed, whom this music hears. Our Lady sings Magnificat, with tunes surpassing sweet, and all the angels join their song while sitting at her feet. Then Magdalene has left her tears, and cheerful Frida sings, with blessed saints whose harmony in every street does Jerusalem, 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 God grant that I may see your endless joy, and of the same partaker ever be.